Hi and welcome to Travels with the Russells, and today we're going to show you around Tenerife South Airport. So we'll go through the check-in procedure with you, and then we'll take you on through security and into airside. So come and join us if you've never been or you're coming to Tenerife. Let's have a look around the airport. See you in a minute.
Well, it's Nigel and Julie, a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care. Retired from the hustle, now they're home free.
So arrivals and departures, we're going out through departures as we're flying back into London today. So come and join us through there. So as you come in, this is departures. So you find your check-in desk, plenty of notice boards around. So we've got the popular UK brand WH Smiths here in the airport. Again, we're still not airside yet. There's a Burger King just behind me, just in front of me, sorry. So again, as we come, we've got the area for the disabled, for the less able, for the wheelchair users, etc. So that's easy to find, right next door to the Burger King. And again, selection of shops. Very nice airport, must say. The Tenerife Departures shop. Again, this is all landside rather than airside. With TUI. So would be our boarding gate. London Stansted 29 to 37. So yep. So we'll go check our cases in.
Grab your bags, it's time to go. Nigel and Julie putting on a show. Cruise ship sailing across the sea, documenting journeys, just you and me. With every wave, we share our touch. Honest inside, so we love it so much. Airplanes soaring high in the sky.
So as you can see, the security area is huge, loads and loads of staff, so it's very quick through really for all the people that are around. Yeah, very thorough. Yeah. So straight through, out of security and into duty free as normal, and the big queue here is for cigarettes. People are queuing up for duty free cigs. Again, I don't know how much cigs there are. 2 for €72. Don't mean anything to me. 2 for 65. Don't mean anything to me. Julie says everybody wants to know about Golden, Virginia and Amber Leaf. So 2 for 129 or 2 for 145. 2 boxes full, I assume. Right, anyway, let's move on.
All I know is
Move on. Again, bottle of Jameson, €21. I don't know how much it costs. Bailey's 19. So generally, I always think it's cheaper at Morrison's. Other supermarkets are available. So certainly a big enough duty free. So after being through the duty free, I can't find anything that's a bargain in duty free, and I never can really. And of course we're airside now, so outside the windows is the sea right out there, and obviously the landing strip. Big airport, very big airport, and we need to now go find out which gate we're going from.
We'll have to go through, yeah, we'll have to go through passport.
Passport control, possibly. And of course, because of Brexit now, we have to go through immigration control, which is the scanning machines, passports shown. So you need to know, make sure you know which gate you're going through by letter, so you know which side of the airport to go through to departures and arrive at your correct boarding gate. Scan your passport to come through here, and then you get your passport stamped like the good old days, and then you throw into the boarding gate. So we're just waiting for our flight now. So that's our quick look around Tenerife South Airport. Hope it's been of some use to you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Grab your bags, it's time to go. Nigel and Julie putting on a show. Cruise ship sailing across the sea, documenting journeys, just you and me. With every wave, we share our touch, honest inside, so we love it so much. Airplanes soaring high in the sky, road trips together, just you and I. Follow us on our travel spree, wanderlust with Nigel and Julie. With every adventure, we'll show you the way. Real experiences each and every day. Warm and calm, we set the pace, traveling the world's friendly face. Come along and feel the vibe. With Nigel and Julie, you'll come alive. You'll come alive. From city lights to the mountains glow, new encounters everywhere we go, sharing stories of the roads we've roamed. From cozy cabins we found our home, destinations waiting with treasures to find. With every video you are intertwined, tips and tricks for your next flight. Day-to-day life, we'll get it right. Follow us on our travel spree, wanderlust with Nigel and Julie. With every adventure, we'll show you the way. Grab your bags, it's time to go. Nigel and Julie putting on a show. Cruise ship sailing across the sea, documenting journeys, just you and me. With every